welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a cool up-tempo song from AVA Max called Dancing's Done. So a great song with some power and attitude to it. So let's start this one up, no need for any capo. And we have 5 chords to handle, so let's go into the chords. We have first the C sharp minor. That's a bar chord here on the 4th fret. That's where you place your bar from the A string and down. So 5 strings. And then the rest will be 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. Okay, the next chord will be the G sharp. So you're keeping your bar here on the 4th fret, this time over all strings. So bar on 4th, and the rest will be 6 on A, 6 on D, and 5th on G. Next chord will be A. So that's open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have E next, so that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. And we finish with this B chord. That's a bar chord as well. And you place now your bar on the 2nd fret from the A string and down, so all strings except from the last E here in the bass. And then you have 4th on D, 4th on G, 4th on B, and that's it. But what I do here, I don't place all my fingerings like this for this song. It's much more convenient for this song to just place a 2nd bar here on the 4th fret from the D string and down. And I try to avoid the last E string, so I'm just hammering here with my right hand on the bass strings and the middle strings, so to speak. So what I do, I just place 2 bars like that. All right, that's up to you. But yeah, there you have the chords, and we will look, before we go into the strumming pattern, we'll start with the strumming pattern first and then look at the chord progression. So we'll start with the C sharp minor. And one strumming round will be 4 downs, okay? So like this. But notice I'm playing more on the bass strings and middle strings on the first 2 downs. And then I play more down here on the brighter strings, higher up down there, on the 3rd down. And then I go back to bass on the 4th down. So slowly it goes like this. That gives a little bit more color to your strumming, so it will be easier to listen to. So on the 3rd down I play on top strings down here, and the rest 1, 2, and 4th down I play on the bass. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Or bass, bass, top, bass, 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 top, bass. Yeah, like that. So one strumming round will be 4 downs. So let's go into the chord progression. It will be 2 different chord progressions. They're very similar, and we will alternate between these and the choruses, and in the verses we'll just play one of them. So let's start with the verses now, and this chord progression will be C sharp minor, 2 strumming rounds, so then G sharp 1, then A 1, then E 2, and B 2. And that's it for the verses. So you're gonna play that chord progression for verses. I'm gonna take you through one round, standard tempo. So let's go. Okay, so that is the first chord progression alternative here, and you're gonna play that for verses. When it comes to the choruses, then you're gonna alternate between this and then the second one. And the second one is very similar, like I mentioned. You're gonna play C sharp minor 2 rounds, G sharp 1, A1, then E2. So far it's everything the same, it's just ending now that differs a little bit. You're gonna play B1 and then C sharp minor 1. So, and that's it. So like I said in the courses, you play in the same way as you play in the verses for one round, and then you switch to this second chord progression round we just learned, and you alternate that. So that is pretty much it when it comes to AVA Max's song called Dancing's Done. So give it a try and good luck, guys. Till next time, play tuned.